Jain student, today we are going to discuss the important documents used in formation of company. So there are three basic documents which are required to fill with register of the company in the formation of public company. These are memorandum of association, article of association, prospects. The first memorandum of association. The memorandum of association is the principal document of a company. It is considered the charter of a company. It contains the power objective of the company. It also describes the scope operation of a company. It can alter only according to the provision made the Company Act regarding in alteration. Memorandum of association provide information to outsiders such as creditor, supplier, etc. to know the limitations and scope of the company dealing. It also known as the doctrine of outdoor management. The content of memorandum of association means memorandum of association contain the following clause. First, name clause. That this clause contain the complete name of the company. The company can choose any name subject to the following restrictions. The name of the company must be end with the word limited. In case of public company, the word is private limited. The name should be not be similar or identical to the name of other companies. The name should not contain the word cooperative. The name should not be convey any connection link to the company with the uh, government department. Alternation name clause company can change its name by passing the special uh, relations and by obtaining the written approval of the central government. Situations clause. This clause contains the name of the state in which the register office of the company is situated. It is necessary because the company the registration from the state only. The register office is the place where all the important documents of the company are kept. The company must have the register office when it business activities within the 30 days of the registration, which is earlier. Next, object clause. It is the most important object clause. A memorandum of association contain the main object of the company and other secondary objective which was the main pursuit. This clause defines the scope of limitation of the activity of the company. The object of the defined to state the keep in mind following condition. The object of the company must be legal. The object should not be contrary to the provision of any law. The object must not be immoral. Next, liabilities clause. This clause defines the liability of the member of the company. In case of any company limited by share, the liability of the member is limited to the extent of the unpaid amount of their share capital. Next, capital clause. This clause specifies the amount of share capital which company has to be registered. The capital should which with which a company register is called registered authorized nominal capital. Company can issue only that number of shares which are authorized by the memorandum of the alteration of the capital clause. Company can alter its capital clause by passing the special resolution by obtaining the approval of a company law board. And what is type of capital? Authorized capital. Authorized capital, nominal capital. Section 28 of the Act. It means the such capital that authorized by memorandum of association of a company to be maximum amount of share capital of the company. Issue capital is defined as 250 section of the Act. It means that capital of the company is issued from time to time for subscription. Subscribed capital, it means such part of the capital which is for the time being subscribed by the member of a company. Called up capital, it means such part of the capital which has been called for the payment. Paid up share capital, it means such aggregate amount of money credited to as a paid up equivalent to the amount received as paid respect of the share issued, and also include any amount credit paid respect of share of the company but does not include any other amount received in respect of such share, whatever name called. Association clause. This clause contains the declaration by the director. We have several personnel who name who address the submitted and desire of being formed into a company according with the memorandum of association and the undertaken in the qualifications, that this declaration must be signed by all the director of the company. Thank you.